Okay, because you asked for it, I upgraded my adapters. So every time I posted a video on how to grow microgreens like this, a lot of people would say, but you can't refill it. What if I want to grow my microgreens out bigger like that? Well, with this new adapter, the bottle just slides in instead of snapping on or twisting on. And when the time comes and the bottle's empty, you can pull it out, refill it, just put it back in. So planning it out is going to be the same as all our other adapters. Put a little bit of water in a bowl or a baking dish, whatever container you have. And instead of screwing the lid on, you just slide the bottle in. And when it's full, you flip it into the container. And you fill it up with some clay pebbles. I spritz it a little bit to get the clay pebbles damp. And sprinkle about a tablespoon of seeds around on it. This is pak choi. Go ahead and spritz it again. And all we do is cover it up for a couple of days. In that time, it's going to germinate. And you'll see roots going down to the water. Now the adapter keeps the water level low, below the top layers of the clay pebbles. And the seeds sprout and the roots make their way down to this water. When it gets about to this size, it's when I uncover it. Now as long as there's water in the bottle, we just let it go. And you can see to this point, it hasn't really used all that much. Now here's the next day. You can see the microgreens are coming along nicely, and the bottle still has a little bit of water left. Now one more day has gone by. Microgreens are ready to go. If you want to harvest them right now, you can. You can see the roots nicely developed, and the bottle is empty. So now all you have to do is lift it up and refill your bottle all the way up to the top. Now you're just going to put it back in. An easy way is to just put your thumb over the opening, get it where you want it, and just set it in there. Now you can see a little water will flow in. It'll get to the right level and stop. Now it's ready to go for another couple of days. Now this adapter works on the long neck bottles, and it also works on some standard wine bottles. You don't want to get the wine bottles that are too tall or too bottom heavy. So when you flip it upside down, it's not going to be stable. But this size bottle works fine. Just be careful of moving it around. If we need, I'll make another adapter with a wider bottom, more stable. I also made one that works on the plastic pop bottles. I'll have a video coming out on that. But thank you for asking questions and making suggestions. It pushes me to improve on something that was already pretty good. This is a good example of how we can all work together, help each other, lift, inspire, keep on growing, and be the change. Catch you next time.